IPO wave has opened the floodgates for private equity exits. With over 13,000 crore rupees already unlocked, this marks the strongest year yet for investor liquidity. Rachna Dhanrajani joins us now with more details. Rachna, is it the year of redemption for those early investors?
That is correct, Archana. India's startup IPO season in 2025 has reached a defining phase marked by large private equity exits and a surge in investor appetite for new age businesses. The cycle began with Ather Energy, where early backers such as Tiger Global, GIC and NIIF booked partial exits with returns ranging from 1.6 to 8 times their original investments. Urban Company's 1,471 crore rupee IPO was entirely secondary, giving investors like Y Capital, Tiger Global and Steadview exits of up to 29 times their entry price, while Accel and Elevation Capital earned around 29 and 19 times respectively. Bluestone Jewelry followed with strong market participation as Iron Pillar, Peak 15 and Accel trimmed stakes in its 1,236 crore rupee IPO issue, where Accel realized a 9x return. Now the next phase centers around Lenskart, Pine Labs, Grow and Shadowfax, which together account for more than 13,000 crore rupees in planned offer for sale value. Lenskart leads with 7,278 crore rupee IPO featuring 5,318 crore rupees in secondary sales by SoftBank, TPG and Premji Invest. Pine Labs follows with 3,900 crore with exits by Sequoia, Temasek and Actis. Grow's 6,632 crore IPO includes a modest OFS of 574 crore rupees but sees participation from Tiger Global, Peak 15 and Ribbit Capital, while Shadowfax will raise about 1,000 crore rupees entirely through secondary sales by Eight Road Ventures, NGP Capital and Flipkart Internet. Now, adding to this momentum, PhysicsWallah has filed 3,480 crore rupee IPO, which includes 380 crore rupees in offer for sale. Founders and early investors such as Westbridge, GSV Ventures, Lightspeed Venture Partners and Hornbill Capital are expected to partially exit, marking one of the year's most significant edtech listings, with confirmed secondary proceeds already crossing 13,000 crore rupees and more offerings in the pipeline. 2025 is shaping up to be India's strongest year for private equity and venture capital exits through IPOs. For investors, it's a long-awaited liquidity window after years of patient capital. And for startups, it's a sign of a true market maturity as public investors reward scale, profitability and governance in real time.
All right, thank you, Rachna, for that. Let's talk about earnings now.